Hi guys, today we are talking to students of NIBM and trust me यार, I love the campus. मेरे को जो सबसे अच्छा लगता है ना यहाँ पे आके, I love the people, students, faculty, all of them are just awesome. So today I want to talk about one main question, and this will help students to decide whether to choose NIBM or not, and mainly from the interview point of view as well, कि why to give the answer for why NIBM. So I want to know about your name, your which exam you took, and why you selected NIBM.
Surely. So my name is Ahan Das. I am from Kolkata. So I have given the exam GRE, in which I scored 316. Thereafter I got many options in foreign universities, but due to some personal reasons I have chosen to study in India only. So while researching about the finance colleges, this is the only college in India which is backed by RBI, and RBI is the name where any finance enthusiast wants to take in. And also in terms of placements and all, this is the only college in all over India where the PSBs take part in summer internship. So that is also very lucrative. And moreover, then in final placement, many foreign investment banks are also coming. So it is very much lucrative for us to get into it.
So you basically covered both the sides. You covered RBI side as well. और safe भी है और foreign company भी आती है और PSU भी आते हैं. हर जगह से तुम्हारा safe है point of view.
Definitely, sir.
Superb.
Hi sir, my name is Shreyansh Srivastav and I appeared for CAT exam in which I scored 90.04 percentile, and one of the main reasons for choosing this college was the ROI, the return on investment, because I saw according to my CAT percentile, I found that this college is one of the best.
Correct. See, if you scored 90% CAT exam, you are of course not going to get the call from IIMS. तो IIMS तो हाथ से निकल गया. The moment you talk about non-IIM, the main problem which we are struggling with today is the ROI. And this is where NIBM come into picture, that ROI wise we are almost 100%.
Yes sir.
So that makes sense to join. So to play it safe kind of thing. Okay, who want to go next?
So my name is Sejal Gupta and I have given CMAT and I scored 96 percentile. My reason for joining NIBM was mainly that I come from a family of finance background. My family is full of CAs and everyone. So I was looking for a college which will offer me some niche course in finance, and NIBM was a perfect fit for it, and that's why I selected NIBM. Looking in the course and curriculum, it also matched with my academic background. So that's why I chose NIBM.
So of course यार, if you talk about the banking sector name, तो आपके फैमिली कोई बैंक में है ना, उनको पक्का NIBM में कोई ना कोई तो कोर्स किया होगा कि he might have, like my dad have come and studied in NIBM as well. So कोई ना कोई तो पक्का आया होगा एक बार NIBM में. तो of course, so then it's a legacy being continued. The campus is there for long time. So that could be one very good reason. So why I'm taking this thing, so that everyone can decide A, where to select NIBM or not, and number two is when you're going for the interview, you can pick up any of the answers. So all these answers are valid answers to give in the interview.
Hello, my name is Vibha Singh. When I talk to people who studied at NIBM, they always talked about how the faculty is. They are industrial experts and their knowledge is vast, and they are very approachable. So the way the faculty teaches and helps in the placement processes, it was one of the reasons why I chose NIBM.
Hello sir, my name is Manya and I come from arts background. I've done my graduation from Delhi University. So actually I interned with a few companies in HR related roles, and I had decided that HR is not something I would want to do. And in NIBM, the kind of roles, the profiles come, it's first of all the course in itself is very niche, banking and finance, and the roles are not at all related to sales like that. So that was my major this thing, yeah.
So great. Thank you very much for talking to us. Thank you.